What are molecules? It's often said that a molecule is an atom bonded together, and I'm going to make a huge assumption here and say that you're like in grade four, grade five, six, or maybe you're doing a bit of refreshing. So I'm going to go back to the basics to respond. So a molecule, it's atoms bonded together. What is an atom? An atom is considered, well, the most common definition for atom is the smallest particle that takes place in a chemical reaction, but I like to interpret it this way. It's the building block in which all things arise. And when I say that, I'm going to use a definition I always, or an analogy, yeah, analogy I always use to prove this point. Let's say we have a Lego in front of us. A Lego is made up of, no, a Lego house, and that Lego house will be made up of Legos bonded together. Those Legos bonded together in a real life scenario, uh that would be considered a molecule. Now, if you break that down further, that would be considered a atom, and that atom would be one single block. So if you have two blocks joined together, that would be considered a molecule. In a real life scenario, that would be two atoms bonded together. If you have one atom, that's one Lego. If you have two Legos bonded together, that's a molecule. So I really want to drill this into you. An atom is one single element, right? A molecule is more than one element or atoms bonded together. And if you really Google, and like sign out, if you really Google an atom or an element, most people use them interchangeably, but they have different definitions. So if you want to do a bit of research on that, you could also do that. But yeah, molecules are atoms bonded together. An example of that is H2O, hydrogen, two hydrogen atoms, and one oxygen atom. Yeah, peace out.